Musician Zandile Khumalo says Senzo Meyiwa's widow, Mandisa should also be investigated in the Senzo Meyiwa murder case. You guys, Senzo Meyiwa was gunned down at his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo's home on Fuos Flores Ekurhuleni on the 26th of October 2014. Now, speaking to ENCA, Zandile, who is also Kelly Khumalo's sister, said it's been discovered that the hitmen are from Nongoma, where Mandisa originally comes from. I've tried mentioning it to Brigadier Gininda, so I don't know what he's made out of it, Zandile said. Brigadier Bongani Gininda is the leading investigating officer in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Zandie said another point she wanted to raise on Mandisa's side is that there are private lawyers representing the Meyiwa murder accused. Who's paying them? We all know that these people they accused are doing lousy jobs. Some of them were dancers at some point and others minors. They don't have that much capital to have these people, lawyers representing them. Lawyers are bad, but they get paid at the end of the day. Who's paying them? She said. Zandie said the other day she bumped into Senzo's murder accused legal representative advocate Zandile Mshololo on a flight. Mshololo stays in Durban and flies to Joburg every time she has to represent accused number 5, who's paying for the hotel. Who is paying for her? Plus, she has a partner. If the police must follow the money trail, maybe something will come out of it. I don't know. Zandie said her sister Kelly Khumalo didn't order the hit and didn't have money to do something like that. She's not capable of ordering the hit, and at that time also, we need to take into account that she was on the verge of going back to the music industry because she was off for some time, so she didn't have the capital. And taking into account that she loved him, she had more to lose, she had nothing to gain. So for me, there was no motive there, she said. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.